Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm Michael Steckley and this is A Chef's Guide to Chicago. Tonight, for the party that I'm cooking for, I'm making an amuse-bouche. This is the first of 8 courses tonight. So tonight it's a carrot sultana salad. Sultanas are golden raisins. And all I'm gonna do is shred the carrot, toss it with the sultanas, and I'm gonna make a lemon oil vinaigrette, and that's the basis of it, and that's it. So let's go. First, just peel the carrot. I want to remind you that if you are making stock, or you make homemade stock, this is like gold, okay? So make sure that you keep all the scraps here, and that you put it into a bucket, and then you can make homemade chicken soup or some type of soup later, okay? And all I'm gonna do is cut off the ends, just right here like that. Once again, scrap bucket. I like to go at an angle. This way you kind of get a bigger piece of the carrot versus just straight on. So kind of hold it up at a 45-degree angle. This way, you know, you can let the carrot slide down or whatever piece of vegetable slide down, and you won't have to work as hard, okay? Take your raisins, just throw them right in there. And toss them up. I'm gonna take my lemon and olive oil. This is 2 parts lemon juice to 1 part oil. It doesn't matter the ratio, or I'm sorry, it doesn't matter the amount. All it matters is the ratio. So you could have a cup or a tablespoon, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you have 2 parts of acid to 1 part oil. And that's across the board. That's a very textbook standard approach to making a vinaigrette, okay? And what I wanna do is get the zest off the first third of the lemon. I'm gonna throw that, about half of that right in there. Actually, that's good. Yeah. And I'm gonna cut this lemon in half. I'm gonna juice this guy. So you get about a tablespoon, a little bit less than a tablespoon there. And all I'm gonna do is just take, once again, just add about half of that. There we go, perfect. I'm just gonna mix this all up just like this. A really nice acidic vinaigrette. Just let it emulsify real quick. Go ahead and dunk that in there. And then I'll use a spoon to just mix all this up, toss it up together. So this will be the amuse-bouche, which is the first, in some cases it's not even considered a course, it's just a bite to get things going. So I'm gonna let this marinate for just a few minutes before I serve it and let the flavors just kind of mend. And you'll get the sweetness of the raisin, the powerful flavor of the carrot, and that nice sweet note, acidic note from the lemon. And it'll be literally a perfect bite. Thanks for tuning in on A Chef's Guide to Chicago. See you next time.